mean, we have so many designers. I guess it would be app specific, right? So I could only speak, hey, this is how long it took to recreate designs from the design system. But if you had an application that was maybe a SaaS platform you were building and you had 40 or 50 screens with a prototype that was pretty thorough, I mean, there's multiple ways to do that. You can either build from the place you're at and start to iterate from that point, and then build out your new system as you need things. Because just bringing in like 50 screens or 40 screens and then just doing a complete rebuild, that's just always going to take a long time. But if you do it right and you componentize it when you go, you're going to get faster. So I don't have a direct answer for that unless one of the guys does do.
No, I mean, there's never, I think what we've always said, there's never a perfect time to make a switch. So it's finding that opportunity where maybe if something's moving out of, production, and there's maybe a lull in the action, so to speak, and there's an opportunity to start rebuilding some of that stuff. That would, so I think there's kind of this, as we all know with the flow of work, right? Is if something's ramping up, it's probably like, yeah, not a good time to start moving your files, right? But as things are shipped and maybe there's a lull in the work, that would be a good time to start moving stuff over.
Yeah, I would be hesitant though to just bring in all 50 pages on an import and think you're not going to have your work cut out for you.